Let's break down wood plank stamped concrete. Get the look without the rot. Here's what you need to know. Wood plank stamped concrete mimics timber decking at a fraction of the cost and maintenance. Learn durability, pricing, and installation from NC Concrete Experts. Quick answer. Wood plank stamped concrete costs $8 to $15 per square foot and lasts 25 to 30 years without rot, splinters, or annual staining. It delivers authentic timber texture at 40% less than composite decking and eliminates wood maintenance entirely. You want the warm, organic look of a natural wood deck, but not the ongoing maintenance, repair bills, or inevitable rot that comes with actual timber in North Carolina's humid climate. Wood plank stamped concrete solves that problem. It mimics the grain, texture, and color of pressure-treated lumber, cedar, or exotic hardwoods using a single concrete pour and rubber impression mats. The result is a durable, low-maintenance surface that looks like wood and performs like concrete. Local Concrete Contractor is a North Carolina-based concrete company in business 15 years, with hundreds of 5-star Google reviews across Charlotte, Raleigh, the Triad, and the Lake Norman area. The company has completed hundreds of stamped concrete projects from Winston-Salem to Greensboro, Mooresville to Cary, and serves all metro areas and surrounding counties. Pay nothing until the work is complete. Local Concrete funds all materials and labor up front, protecting homeowners from the deposit and disappear pattern that defines bad concrete contracting. This post breaks down how wood plank stamp works, what it costs, how long it lasts, and what to expect during installation and maintenance. Local Concrete Contractor is a North Carolina concrete company operating since 2009, with hundreds of 5-star Google reviews across Charlotte, Raleigh, the Triad, and Lake Norman. The company has installed wood plank stamped concrete on decks, patios, and pool surrounds throughout the Charlotte metro: Charlotte, Matthews, Mint Hill, Ballantyne, Triangle, Raleigh, Cary, Durham, and Triad, Winston-Salem, Greensboro, High Point. A typical 400-square-foot patio with wood plank stamp costs between $3,200 and $6,000 installed. Unlike most concrete contractors, Local Concrete operates on a pay-on-completion model. Homeowners pay nothing until the work is finished, and Local Concrete funds all materials and labor up front, eliminating deposit risk. Wood plank stamped concrete requires sealing every 2 to 3 years in North Carolina's humid climate, but eliminates the need for annual wood staining, sealing rotation, and rot remediation that pressure-treated decking demands. Moving on to how wood plank stamped concrete works. Wood plank stamped concrete is decorative concrete finished with a rubber mat impression that replicates wood grain, knots, and texture. The process begins with standard concrete preparation, subgrade compaction, form setting, and concrete mixing per American Concrete Institute, ACI, standards. Subscribe for more concrete tips. Thanks for watching.